Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Opera tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn on dark mode in Opera. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Opera, and as we can see the browser is currently running in light mode. To switch on dark mode I just have to click on the three bars at the top right, and I can already find the theme settings here. In addition to the light mode I also have the option of adapting this setting to the system. This way I can ensure that all programs can be controlled centrally via the Windows settings. This makes sense if I want to switch between light and dark mode more often. In this case, however, we simply set Opera to dark mode. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!